Is that good luck? Moggy just crossed my path. Hello everyone. I'm out on the Hercules. I fitted the Dunlop saddle. I thought I'd go test it out on this, on a what was a fine but it's now a drizzly day. So I'm in Grace Park at the moment. First thoughts on the saddle is it's very comfortable. This is my first experience with a leather sprung saddle as opposed to the fake leather PVC one that used to be on the Hercules. Which just had springs underneath the plastic, or the mattress saddle that's on the 1940 Ideal Safety. There's the animal farm down there. It's quite weird when you start riding. The saddle has a lot of side-to-side motion from the two rear springs going up and down. Don't know if that's normal, but I'm just going to find a nice place to park up. Oh, there's the old hall. Let's have a look down there. Quite a few dog walkers out. Afternoon. It's a nice sandstone, I think sandstone or Yorkstone edifice. How do we get in? Go this way. Is that good luck? Moggy just crossed my path. So this is the Church of St. James the Great. Don't know what he was great at. I suppose to St. James the Mediocre, or the ordinary. Norton Lodge. This is nice. Norton Hall. Very nice. Can't go in though, apparently. Get a decent view of the park from here. There's the stables. So Graves Park is so called because it belonged to a certain J.G. Graves, who presumably lived here, who donated it to the people of Sheffield. Looks very nice. Right, so let's find a place to park up. Very nice. Hello there. Well, here's a decent place to park, I guess. Kickstand. So, what's my verdict on this saddle? Oh. So, wipe. Oh. have to re-oil it when I get in. But yeah, it seems to be holding up nicely. Looks very good on this bike, a lot better than the fake leather saddle. So I think I'll keep this on this bike for now until the Dawn Tourist is fixed up again. Yes, I think I had these tears already. I'll have to check. When I get in. And I think it's come out quite well. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hello everyone, it's Future Richard here. If you haven't guessed already, this saddle is not made from leather, but it is in fact made from rubber. After I published the previous video, several people pointed out to me on various forums that Dunlop didn't make leather saddles, they made rubber ones, including ones like this which have a rubber top and a cloth backing, which were made in the style to look and feel like leather saddles, but with the added advantage of being rather a bit more waterproof. So yeah, so I genuinely thought it was leather. That's an honest mistake on my part. So, but I'm still quite impressed. It turned out, you know, how well it did, and that the leather balsam that I put on the saddle still seemed to work quite well on it. So maybe if you've got one of these rubber Dunlop saddles, you can give it a try on that to kind of revive it a bit. Well, back to past Richard. With that, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press like and subscribe. Leave any comments or suggestions in the comment section. And a Happy New Year to you all. Bye for now.